all. I hope you all are good and fine, and your studies also going on well. I hope. And let us start the remaining part of the chapter 1. We were talking about the Margie and the chapter the fun they had and how they were talking about the old, according to them, old-fashioned school, Margie and Tommy. Let us see remaining part of this chapter. Because her mother said little girls learn better if they learned at regular hours, the screen was light up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of the proper fractions. As we all know that the Margie did study on his computer's screen, which was her class, and situated in nearby her bedroom at her house, and it was regular study. She did regular study and it was regular school, and there was a regular teacher like robot and telescreens, computer screen, so that because her mother said it is good for a children, good for the girls, because her mother said it is good for the little girls to do learn better if they learn at regular hours. If the children do regular study, it will good them and it is good for them. The screen was light up, and on the same time the screen be light up, the screen become on, and now screen was light up, and it is said today's arithmetic lesson. The computer tells his studies about the mathematics, that is today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of the proper fraction. The topic was the addition of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday's homework in your proper slot, and slot is the place in the computer that they were fill their homework in the slot. And so now yesterday's homework in proper slot, Margie did so with a sigh. Margie did as the instructions she is finding from his computer teacher, and she was thinking about the old schools, and she was also thinking about the old-fashioned type of school, which she came to know by the book. About the old of schools she came to know by the book. So she was thinking about the old type of schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather यानी कि forefathers, बहुत पहले grandfather यानी दादाजी की भी दादाजी, was a little boy, was a young boy when the grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole from neighborhood came. On that time period she came to know by the books. उस समय के बारे में उसे बुक से पता लगा था. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came togetherly, came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the classroom, and according to the book she came to know about the grandfather's time period was a little boy, जब उसके दादाजी के भी दादाजी यानी कि forefathers जिसे हम कहते हैं या पूर्वज, जब वो छोटे बच्चे थे, all the kids from the whole neighborhood came. All the kids went to school with their neighborhood friends and laughing and shouting, making the fun activities in the way, and they shouting in the schoolyard. They make enjoy in the schools and sitting togetherly in the classrooms and schoolrooms also, and going home together at the end of the day. And they went to home, returned to the home, going to the home at the end of the day togetherly, sang jaate the, and they learned the same things, and they study same topic and same things in a same age, so they could help one another. And when they sitting in a same class and reading the same topic, then they are able to help each other in their problems in the study. So they help each other to understand the topic properly, and they can help in the homework also and talk about it. And the teachers were people, and the teacher were men and people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. We add fraction 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Now their study is going on in the mathematics, but now she is thinking in the old time period school timings, like at the time you have all, जैसा कि अभी आपके पास है. She is thinking हाउ फन दे हैड, कि उन्हें कितना मज़ा आता होगा, कितना आनंद आता होगा, कितना इन्जॉय करते होंगे, एंड हाउ दे स्टडी डूइंग देयर वेल. ओके, understand? I hope you understand your chapter. Read them, learn the word meaning of this chapter, and do the question answers of this chapter. We'll discuss in the next. We will discuss the question answers in the next video. Okay.